Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The video title is, How to Move Crypto from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, transferring your assets from Robinhood to a more decentralized wallet like Phantom can give you greater control and security. Whether you're looking to stake, trade on-chain, or just hold your crypto safely, this guide has you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Robinhood account with your crypto assets and a Phantom wallet set up on your device. If you don't have Phantom yet, download it from the App Store. It's free and user-friendly. Now, log into your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your portfolio. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This is where things get exciting. Next, you'll need your Phantom wallet address. Open your Phantom app, go to the Receive section, and copy the wallet address for the specific crypto you're moving. Pro tip: double-check that you're using the correct network, like Ethereum for ETH, to avoid any errors. Back in Robinhood, paste this address into the withdrawal form, enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Fees can vary, so keep an eye on that to save some cash. Hit confirm, and Robinhood will process your withdrawal. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Phantom and refresh your wallet. You should see your crypto arrive. Remember, always start with a small amount for your first transfer to test everything out. In 2025, with regulations tightening and DeFi booming, wallets like Phantom are becoming essential. If you run into any issues, check the help sections on both platforms or reach out to their support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.